Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm KPFS by name. So in today's video, I'll be explaining and break down on how I call this beautiful one issue 731 Euro USD last week. We're already in a new trading week, so let me clear all this so we can explain everything from the then. Once I go to the chart, the first thing I started from the higher time frame to know what the higher time frame is saying. Then I started from the D1, which is the daily time frame. That's my first time frame. Then I will break it down to the lowest time frame. So I started from the daily time frame, which is the D1. Then, as you can see on Euro USD, market has been clearly bullish. Okay, broke one structure here, broke another one here, broke another one here. Then this is the high that market failed to break before market change another character to the bullish downside here. So then I'll move to 4-hour. So after market changed the character here, we have been temporarily bearish here. So but from the higher time frame, you can see that we are bullish. Then from 4-hour, I can see that market was coming from here. This, you can call it another block. Yeah, it's another block, and some can call it key level. So market was coming from here. This break of structure here, an inducement here, then this period, which is our other block. Then you can't just enter directly, you have to wait for confirmation that market is clearly bullish. You can see that market has been bearish here. So you can see, let's go to 2-hour. So from the 2-hour, you can see here, after market mitigated this period, the other block, and market sweep the last low here. Market sweep it. Let me clear this. Market swept the last low here. So after market sweeping, this is the last high here. The market break the last high and change character here. Let me identify. So yeah. So after market sweep this last low, the market break this high, which is the last high the market created. Then give us our change of character to the upside. That's one confluence that we are bullish. Then I don't just buy, I waited for another confirmation. Then this is another here. Market broke this one. So we can call this one our BOS, our break of structure after the change of character. Then we have an what's it called, another block here, bearish one. So there's one breaker block here. I want to explain something here. So since I started from the daily time frame, I know what I'm looking for. I know the market is clearly bullish. We are no more bearish again. So that's why I'm not even bothered about this. Some we started selling from here. So after market sold for a while, market go back, take them out. So that's the importance of knowing the structure, like your buyers, the buyers first. So once I've got my buyers, I know we are bullish. I'm not looking to sell, I'm just looking to buy. Then I don't care about this breaker block or this other block, this bearish other block. I don't care about selling, I just care about buying. Then I ignore this other block here. So after market filled this other block here, then go to 1 hour. After we've got our buyers, which is bullish, then we have to look for our perfect PY. Then I went to 30 minutes. I actually use this So after this little sweep here, we can call it a sweep here, then I saw this this other block here, you can call it other block, yeah, or breaker block. Some call it breaker block, it depends. So from 30 minutes you can clearly see it's another block. Then after my other block here, I can just enter blindly. I can clearly see my inducement here, which signify it's a perfect setup for me. Then I placed my entry here, then my sell somewhere below this candle here. Then after that, for my target, I use any time frame for my target. Once I know where market is going and coming from and where market is heading to. So this is the most likely point the market can react from, this breaker block. So that's why I targeted the breaker block here. Targeted here, the other block, the breaker block here. Then although I want to show you something here from this, although this is our realistic target, so after market got there, after market broke this structure, I move my SL to break even. Then I move my SL to break even, secure some partial profit here, then leave the remaining trade to run to TP. You can clearly see after market got here, I was did before something here. After market go here, market should the high, then market start rejecting. You can clearly see the position here. You can see. So that's how I call the setup on EURUSD last week. So if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe and like. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment what you would like me to do video about, and please don't forget to turn off your notification, so anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you.